Hello, my name is Andrea Kiriak and I'm a data analyst at btProvider. Today I will show you how to create an animation like a scrolling bar chart. I am connected to sample superstore data provided by Tableau. First of all, I will create a new calculated field. I'll give it a name. And this calculated field will be the rounded week. Date strong, week, order date. Now drag the calculated field to columns. Right-click on it, select Continuous, right-click on it again, and select Exact Date. And after that, drag Order ID to rows. Right-click on it, Measure, and select Count Distinct. Now I will change the mark type to bar, and I will add the labels. The next step is to create dynamic dates, and I will create a new parameter. Create parameter, baseline date, data type, select date, and click OK. Now I will create two calculated fields, start and end, that will be used to create a band using a reference line. Create calculated field, start, max baseline date, minus 200, order date, week. This calculated field returns either 200 days less than the baseline date or the earliest day in the dataset. Create calculated field and baseline date plus 200 . This calculated field returns either 200 days more than the baseline date or the latest day in the dataset. Now I'll create another calculated field named color . Is greater or equal than . And this calculated field returns a boolean if the values are between or equal to plus or minus 200 days from the baseline date. Now I will add start and end to detail . As exact dates . And also I will add color to color. The next step is to create a reference line for the visualization. Go to Analytics, Reference Band, and on the order date week axis, I will have the band to run from start to end. Baseline chart. Now I will build the scrolling visualization. New sheet, scrolling bar chart. The first step is to create a new calculation. And this will be order date week minus baseline date. Add this calculated field to columns, right-click on it, measure, and select minimum. Add order ID to rows, right-click on it, measure, and select count distinct. And also add order date week to detail as an exact date. Now I will change the mark type to bar. And on the size button, select fixed and type in 7 for the days in a week. Now I'll change the axis to run from minus 200 to plus 200. Edit axis, fixed. And now I'll create a new calculation field named Tab that will be used as a reference line. Now create another calculation named 0, and I will set the value to 0. And I'll add both calculations to detail. Now I will add a reference band. That will run from 0 to Tab. The next step is to add a secondary axis. Right-click on it, select Dual Axis, right-click on it again, and select the Synchronize Axis. And now I'll create a new calculation. Now I'll add this calculation to labels on the main axis. And I'll change the color. Now I will build the dashboard. Add the two sheets to a single dashboard. And now I'll add a parameter action. Dashboard, actions, add action. And the action will run on select. And the next step is to add an animation. Go to Format, Animations, click on and select seconds. And this is the scrolling bar chart. Thank you for watching.